What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines, and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10 easily downloading apps. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every new 1,000 subscribers, I give away free money. So please do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos when they are dropped. And make sure you hit that all bell button so you definitely won't miss any of my new videos every time I drop them on my channel. And please give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concerns about what I'm talking about today in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at 3,200. I got a little ways to go, but I know we can get there. Let's try to get there by July 31st. Today is July the 16th, so we got a little ways to go. I know we can make it there. And if you want to win even some more free money, you can go to my other channel, which is called Random Reg TV. The link will pop up in this video at the top. Go there, subscribe, read the free money giveaway guidelines that's in one of my videos, and once I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment there, and that person is going to win some free money. So now you got two ways you can win some free money, or rather two channels you can go to win some free money. So go over to that channel and subscribe right now. But right here, right now on this channel, let's go ahead and get into this method. So without further ado, let me go to this app and let me show you how you can make $10 easily downloading apps. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm in the Google Play Store and I'm at this app. It's called RollPoints. Earn free cash, cards, and free money. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit about this app. So download your favorite apps, watch trailers, and buy from your favorite stores to get free rewards like PayPal, iTunes, and more. Sign up today and get a free $1 to get you started towards your goal when you use the code FREE. So as soon as you sign up, you're going to get $1 off the bat. So they're giving you free money right off the bat. Now it says here, download apps, which what we're talking about in this video today. In this app, you'll be able to download apps and you're going to earn some points just for trying them out for a few minutes. So you don't have to keep the app for a long period of time. Just try it out for free for a few minutes, accumulate those points, and you can delete that app. And then go to the next one, start downloading that and keep doing it over and over again, accumulate those points so you can get this money. And now if you want to make some more money, you can watch videos. So you're going to watch video ads from our sponsor and earn points even when you sleep. And you'll be able to earn everywhere. So earn points on the web too. Go to RollPoints.com on your iOS device. Earn points on Android and iOS device. And here are some of the features. You have daily rewards, earn points just for logging in. Refer your friends, earn 50% of your friends' points for life. That sounds like a real good one. Ways to earn. There are many different ways to earn. Watch videos, download apps, and more. They already said that. Rewards. We offer many different kinds of rewards, which we already discussed. You're going to be getting from PayPal to Amazon gift cards, Google Play. Now, let's scroll down here and look at a review. All right, here's one review right here. His name is Roland Pierce. Now, he says he rated this 5 star. He gave this 5 stars. And he said, downloaded 7 apps and already got my first $10 gift card. Thanks. So this guy is very, very happy with this app. He already made $10 just downloading some apps for like a few minutes for each app, and boom, accumulated enough points to get a $10 gift card. So, guys, this is a good opportunity to make some real good money, really basically doing nothing that you already do every day. You already open up apps every day, like Facebook and other apps, so might as well make some money open up apps. All right, guys, that's it about this app. So if you're ready to go ahead and make some money downloading apps, at least $10, go ahead and go to Google Play, and you're going to look for RollPoints, earn free gift card and free money, and it's also in the Apple Store. All right, guys, that concludes this video. If you made it this far in the video, please, before you click away, give me a like. It's really going to help out my video if I can get a like. And please help me to get at least 50 likes, because those 50 likes is going to help this video be pushed out there on YouTube for more people can check out this video, because I'm trying to help everybody I can. And plus, I'm trying to get to 4,000 subscribers. So more viewers, more potential subscribers. And please drop a comment down below. If you have any questions about this app, please drop it in the comments below. I try to answer everybody's questions. And don't forget to type #TheGrindIsReal so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And like I said earlier, please go to my other channels, which is called Random Reg TV. There's another way you can make free money. You just go over there, watch my video, follow the guidelines, and make sure you subscribe. And once I hit 2,000 subscribers, you'll get a chance to win some free money when I choose a comment in one of those videos, just like on this channel. Oh, one more thing. Please follow me on Instagram, because if you're not going to follow me on Instagram, you might not get a chance to win some free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers on this channel. So please follow me on Instagram, and it's @AppGrind. And please share this video all around the internet, because I want to help everybody I can make this money online and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, I really appreciate you guys checking out my videos. Keep checking me out, keep watching, and I'm going to keep bringing this good content for you guys. All right, one more thing before I go. I need to do a shout out. And let's see who I'm gonna pick this time. All right, I want to give a shout out to, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce your name right, but I'll spell it Nadia, Nadia. And last name is Martinview. Thank you for this thank you for your comment. It was very, very nice of you to say those kind words. So thank you for the comment. Please, guys, go check out our channel. All right. If anybody else want to get a shout out in one of my videos, please leave a creative comment like Nadia did, and you might get a shout out in my next video. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. Please make sure you share this everywhere so we can get to 4,000 subscribers. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.